Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you're all doing well. This is your teacher Miss Namira Fiaz and I teach you English of class 7. So today we will be starting grammar skills unit number 9, degrees of adjectives. So open up your books, grammar skills, page number 47. Degrees of adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are the words that describe a noun. Okay, give more information about the noun, tell the quality of a noun. Look at the grammar hub box. There are 3 degrees of adjectives: positive, comparative and superlative. ठीक है, पॉजिटिव जो होती है वो फर्स्ट डिग्री होती है, जैसे कि लॉन्ग. कंपैरेटिव इज द सेकंड डिग्री, वी ऐड ER इन इट, लॉन्गर. एंड सुपरलेटिव इज द थर्ड डिग्री, लॉन्गेस्ट. ठीक है, कोल्ड, कोल्डर, कोल्डेस्ट. वी विल ऐड ER इन कंपैरेटिव एंड इन सुपरलेटिव EST, जैसे कि न्यू, न्यूअर एंड न्यूएस्ट. सो फर्स्ट पॉइंट इज यू यूज द पॉजिटिव डिग्री विद एज. ठीक है, जहाँ पे एज आता है वहाँ पे हम फर्स्ट डिग्री पॉजिटिव डिग्री यूज करते हैं, जैसे कि द जैकेट इज नॉट एज वार्म एज दैट वन. वार्म यहाँ पे क्या है, पॉजिटिव डिग्री है. सेकेंड पॉइंट इज यू यूज द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री विद देन. मीन्स व्हेन वी आर कंपेयरिंग अमंग टू थिंग्स, तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे, कंपैरेटिव डिग्री यूज करेंगे ER के साथ. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, जैक इज द टॉलर, जैक इज टॉलर देन हिज ब्रदर. यू यूज द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री विद द मीन्स यानी कि हम ओवरऑल कंपैरिजन कर रहे हो तो हम क्या यूज करते हैं, सुपरलेटिव डिग्री यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ओवर स्कूल इज द ओल्डेस्ट बिल्डिंग इन द विलेज. फोर्थ पॉइंट इज यू समटाइम्स हैव टू चेंज द एंडिंग ऑफ एन एडजेक्टिव बिफोर एडिंग ER और EST. जैसे कि प्रिटी के साथ हम Y को रिप्लेस करेंगे I के साथ, सो प्रिटी और प्रिटीएस्ट. सेफर, सेफेस्ट, बिगर, बिगेस्ट. एक्सरसाइज A. Use the given adjectives in the correct degree to fill in the blanks. The exercise is easier than the last one. So this is a comparison among two exercises. Then आया तो हम क्या use करेंगे, comparative degree, easier. I used the thinnest piece of paper. अब यहाँ पे the आ गया, overall comparison है among all the papers. That means superlative degree, thinnest. ठीक है, they built a bridge at the dash part of the river. The आ गया, ठीक है, overall बात हो रही है, that means widest. The mountain is dash, then all the surrounding hills, then आ गया, that means comparative, higher. As dash as आ गया, that means positive degree. curly को as it is लिखेंगे, curly. Paul was the dash of the twins. Now this is the comparison among two people, ठीक है, two brothers. That means comparative degree, braver. As dash as आ गया तो positive degree, rich, as it is लिखा जाएगा. I added some boiling water to make the tea hotter. Mary is the nicest person I know. This is the comparison among all the people. That means superlative, nicest. Dad has been much happier since he has changed his job. This is the situation. This is the comparison among two situations. ठीक है, तो हम क्या यूज करेंगे, comparative degree यूज करेंगे, happier आएगा. Moving forward to exercise B. Exercise B is rewrite the following sentences using a comparative or superlative adjective. ठीक है, there could be more than one correct answers. They have given us statements. हमने जो है उनको rewrite करना है. We will use a degree of adjective. For example, Joe is 14, Michael is 12 and Adam is 10. So Adam is the youngest of the 3 boys. ठीक है, Jane caught the 7:30 train and Sally caught the 8:30 train. That means Sally caught the later train. I write more neatly than any of my classmates. अब ये comparison है all classmates के दरमियान. Neat is the adjective. So you will write down my handwriting is neatest in the class. The neatest in the class. The rock is not as heavy as the other one. That means among two rocks. So this rock is lighter than that. Next sentence is Tom washed his hands but he did not wash his face. So his hands were cleaner than his face. I chose a ring that cost less than all the others in the shop. यानी कि अब it is comparison among all the other things that were in the shop. That means it is cheapest. Superlative degree. The ring I chose was the cheapest in the shop. Look at the grammar help box. You use ER and EST to form a comparative and superlative of short adjectives. अगर short words हो, ठीक है, जिनमें one syllable या two syllables हो, तो you use ER और EST. जैसे कि प्राउड के साथ ER लग जाएगा, प्राउडर. EST, प्राउडेस्ट. नैरो, नैरोअर, नैरोएस्ट. बट इफ द वर्ड्स आर बिगर, मोर देन one syllable or two syllables, so you use more or most. So anxious, more anxious, most anxious. Comfortable, more comfortable, most comfortable. Some adjectives have irregular comparative और superlative forms, यानी कि ना तो उनमें ER ऐड होता है, ना EST, ना ही more और most. जैसे कि good, का क्या होगा, बेटर एंड बेस्ट. बैड के कंपैरेटिव फॉर्म है वर्स एंड सुपरलेटिव वर्स्ट. एक्सरसाइज सी, write the correct comparative or superlative form in the empty columns. They have given you 2 columns. First one में comparative लिखने हैं, second one में क्या लिखना है, superlative लिखने हैं. फर्स्ट कॉलम में कंपैरेटिव, स्वीट, ई आर ऐड हो जाएगा, स्वीटर. केयरफुल, मोर केयरफुल. मोर केयरफुल यानी कि जो कंपैरेटिव है उनमें या तो आप ई आर ऐड करेंगे या क्या ऐड करेंगे, मोर ऐड करेंगे. और जो सुपरलेटिव है उनमें या तो ई एस टी ऐड होगा या क्या ऐड होगा, मोस्ट ऐड होगा. ठीक है. डर्टी, डर्टियर. वेट, वेटर. कॉन्फिडेंट, मोर कॉन्फिडेंट. गुड, बेटर. स्केयर्ड, मोर स्केयर्ड. अब यहाँ पे ई एस टी या मोस्ट ऐड हो रहा है. अमेजिंग, मोस्ट अमेजिंग. फाइन, फाइनेस्ट. मोस्ट ऑब्वियस, सिंपलेस्ट, मोस्ट अडोरेबल. This will be done like that. Exercise D. They have given us a paragraph and a box in which the adjectives are given. ठीक है. So we will choose these adjectives and change them into comparative or superlative form and then write in the blank. ठीक है. Anna is the dash student in her class. यानी कि अभी overall class के साथ comparison है. That means superlative, youngest student. And in the next blank, she is a tall girl and many of her older classmates are smaller than her. Now this is not an overall comparison. ठीक है. तो हम यहाँ पे क्या यूज करेंगे, comparative degree यूज करेंगे. She is not the cleverest student. अभी among full class के दरम्यान में बात हो रही है तो क्या होगा, superlative form यूज होगी. इसी तरह बाकी सारी blanks भी fill हो जाएंगी. If you look at it and read it carefully, you will understand whether you have to write down comparative degree or superlative degree. Moving forward, page number 50, look at the grammar help box. A simile is a phrase that uses as with an adjective and a noun to say what something is like. ठीक है. किसी चीज को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए as लिखते हैं किसके साथ, एडजेक्टिव और नाउन के साथ. जैसे कि her hair is as white as snow. Snow is the noun, white is the adjective. The box is as light as a feather. So feather is noun and light is adjective. So these are the phrases that are describing these nouns. ठीक है. तो ये similes हैं जिनमें as आता है और noun और adjective use होता है. Exercise E is use the adjective and nouns in the box and fill in the blanks with the similes. First box is adjectives, second box is noun. ठीक है. तो हमने क्या करना है, इन ब्लैंक्स को फिल करना है यूजिंग दीज एडजेक्टिव्स एंड नाउन्स. जहाँ पे हमें एडजेक्टिव गिवन होगा वहाँ नाउन नहीं गिवन होगा. एंड वेयर देयर इज नाउन गिवन, एडजेक्टिव विल नॉट बी गिवन. ठीक है. एज स्ट्रॉन्ग एज एन ऑक्स, वी हैव टू फिल द नाउन. As dash as a kite, kite is the noun, we have to fill in an adjective. As quiet as a mouse, mouse is the noun, so we have to write an adjective. Similarly, इसी तरह ये सारे statements, ये सारी similes जो हैं लिख ली जाएंगी. Next part is that you have to use those similes in these sentences. ठीक है. These are the situations given, statements given, and you have to write down similes choosing from the previous page. जैसे कि Jane put her new dress, she looked as pretty as a picture. There are no hills in this part of the country. It is as flat as a pancake. So you have to write down similes from the previous page according to the statements that are given here. Exercise F, complete the following sentences with an appropriate noun or noun phrase. Basically they have given you the statements. ठीक है. और आपने अपनी similes खुद बनानी है. The fruit tastes as sweet as, so you have to write down something that is sweet, like sugar, like cake. The little boy was as happy as a hippo in the mud pool, or you can just write down clown. The surface felt as rough as a scrub. So they have given you the statements. You have to make your own similes. Grammar help box. An absolute adjective is the one that cannot have a comparative or superlative form. Absolute adjectives वो होते हैं जिनकी comparative और superlative form नहीं होती. यानी कि हम उनके साथ er, est, more और most इस तरह के words नहीं लगा सकते. For example, perfect. One thing cannot be more perfect than another or made more perfect than it is. एक चीज जो already perfect है वो मजीद perfect नहीं हो सकती. That means this is an absolute adjective. Similarly, something that is empty cannot be more empty. Something that is unique cannot be more unique. ठीक है. कोई चीज जो already extinct है वो मजीद extinct नहीं हो सकती. So these are all adjectives that are absolute adjectives. So इनकी हम comparative और superlative form नहीं लिख सकते. So our exercise G is there are 10 absolute adjectives given in the following passage. You have to circle them, read the paragraph. ठीक है. You will find out there are adjectives given which are absolute adjectives. That means you cannot write there superlative or comparative degree. जैसे कि unique, extinct, perfect, empty, square, complete, impossible, infinite, final and fatal. And in the next part you have to write down the words with their definition. जैसे कि square क्या है, with 4 equal sides. Fatal क्या है, causing death. Final means last, impossible, that cannot be done. Similarly all of these will be done. So I hope you understood the concept of degrees of adjectives.